Hello, this is Alana, and I'm on Team 2, and today I'll be presenting the Sas Viya 8 demo. So first, we're going to open up our course notes to page 4.8, where we can start the demonstration. So as you can see, we're supposed to order the VA1 demo 4.1 to begin. So we're going to go into Sas, explore and visualize. And 4.1. So there we've gone ahead and opened it. So we're going to change the settings to add custom titles for all of our graph objects. So in the upper right hand corner, we're going to go to username and settings, and on the left side of the window, select general under the SAS Visual Analytics tab. So settings, general, default titles. Okay, so then graphs, no title, the custom title, and close. So there we go. So now that that's squared away, we will move on to hiding data items. So in the left pane, we're going to click data. And then it wants us to click the data menu, show or hide data items. Remove all. And then double click the following. And then start with customer age group and frequency. Number of orders and order month. And then lastly, the profit. And then once we've done that, I'm going to click OK. So you can see we have a lot less categories, measures, and aggregate measures over here because we did indeed hide some of those. And next we're going to create a pie chart. So we're going to click Objects and drag the pie chart object to the top half of our canvas. I hope everyone ate lots of pie this Thanksgiving. So we'll celebrate with our pie chart. So there we are. So in the right pane, we're going to click Roles, and Category, we're going to go ahead and add Customer Age Group. All right. And next we're going to go in and for measure, add number of orders. There we go. And then our pie chart should look like this. Yep, we got the same number in the center. And so then we're going to go in. One moment. So we're going to go sort. Why can I not find that? Oh, okay, there we go. So then that should change your pie chart and organize them in ascending order. And then it should update and look like this. We've got the, yep. So there you have it. Thank you.